Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is going to be about your color palettes and mainly how to get your color palette smaller. Because sometimes you'll open up your Smart Fill tool and your black is way up top, so you have to get the slide bar to go to black. So go to Windows, Color Palettes, and go to Palettes, and check right here, Document Palette. It's going to put you a bar here. And there are several ways to put colors into that palette, but we're just going to draw or drag the black. We're going to drag a gray. We're going to grab the white. You might want white sometimes, normally not. You're going to want a blue if you're doing, and a green if you're doing just colors. You want a red, and you definitely want yellow, and you can put them in any order. But then what happened, I didn't get it on there. Then what happens is those are in your document now. And you can do the same thing by just bringing colors into your document. But now when you go to your Smart Fill tool, you can click right here. Instead of going there, you can go my document palette. Now I've only got a few colors to pick from. And I can add to that later. But if I do a lot of work and I want something blue, I go to my Smart Fill tool, and if I want it green, I just pick green. So I don't have to go through the RGB color palette to get all those colors. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.